Morning. So I've got a new vintage piece here. It's made by Willett Furniture. They began in the 1930s, two brothers in Louisville, Kentucky. I know, Leslie, I just butchered that pronunciation, but I'm English. Anyway, it's just a maple table. They were a very successful furniture company. The first 10 years, they made $2.6 million or something, so it was like crazy amount of money in those days. Of course, with inflation, that's like a few thousand now. Anyway, so I see this, nightstand, side table by the sofa, thinking immediately, putting some brass casters on there, of course. It's maple. We can strip this and refinish it, you know that, or we could paint it, or you just buy it as is and you do what you want with it. Solid brass handles here, I would just clean those, they're lovely. So this is a perfect kind of side table, nightstand, even, you put the wheels on it and make a little bar cart out of it. Alright, for sale.